This is Tutorial 1-6, Selecting Features in the GIS Tutorial 1 Basic Workbook. In this tutorial, we're going to look at the most basic method of selecting features. Since I'm continuing from Tutorial 1-5, I'm going to save my map document as Tutorial 1-6. So I'm going to use my Save As shortcut that I created in the first tutorial. You're going to want to make sure that you're zoomed out to the 48 states. You can use the bookmark if you're not. And then we're going to turn off the Colorado Streets and Counties layer. Next, we're going to activate the selection tool, which is right here. It's the little mouse pointer on top of the square that's partially colored. There are other options, but we're going to get into these in the next tutorial. So right now we're just focusing on the most basic. The book wants us to just click on Texas, and you can see that it is now selected. If I were to hold down the Shift key, I can select other states, and they don't have to be connected. I can click on any state and it will be selected. You can also select multiple layers. You are not restricted to just one. There are ways that you can restrict what can and cannot be selected, and we'll get into that in the next tutorial. Another method is you can just simply create a box. It will select everything that it intersects. As you can see, this includes both the cities and the states. Now, how do you clear a selection? Well, you can just simply click on a white space, but you don't always want to do that. Up here, you can see next to the selection tool there is this grayed out box. That means nothing is selected right now. If I go in here and select something, you can now see that it's selectable. If I click this, it deselects everything that's been selected. And that's it for this video.